This is Taylor Homestead, so if you like what you see, subscribe to this channel.
I have my cute assistant, Eli Taylor. You want to poke your head in there and say hi? Say hello. Oh, no, they can't see you. Say hello. Get in there. I see your teeth. I see your teeth. Move this way. Move this way. Oh, there he is. Who's that?
Eli.
Eli Taylor? Eli Taylor. All right. And here we have 8 ounces of baking soda. Today I'm making bath bombs for my niece, Alexis Thompson, because she turned 9 this past week. And her aunt was slow on the ball to get her something. So Uncle Andy said she would like bath bombs. So I was like, I'm all over the bath bomb making. No problemo, girlfriend. So here we go. So now that's 8 ounces of baking soda, and I'm going to put 4 ounces, ready, of citric acid. 4 ounces of citric acid on the way. And then I'm going to pretty them up for her. What do you think about that? Ooh, I'm making a horrible, no good, very bad mess. Ooh, 4 ounces. 4 ounces of that, and I need, 4 ounces of Epsom salt. Oh, look at the mess I made. Okay, 4 ounces of Epsom salt. 1 ounce. 3 ounces. 4.2 ounces. A little over, it's okay. All right. And now, ready? I need some corn starch. Let's do some corn starch, shall we? So Alexis just turned 9 on the 7th, and she loves Taylor Homestead bath bombs. So I'm going to send her a bunch of bath bombs for her birthday. Her birthday comes at a really hard time for me because it's right at the end of school and I'm acting like a crazy woman trying to close school down. So for me, like that first week in June is always just, So, and this year was not a whole lot better with the end of COVID-19 virtual learning. So yesterday was our very first day of actual summer for teachers. Yesterday was the first day. So I'm on to my next job. And my next job, as you can see, is making soap and making bath bombs and making fun stuff. So guys, I also want to tell you some fun news. I've been researching having a website to sell my products. Right now I have quite a few things in inventory, and because everything, all the markets and fairs and all that stuff have been closed down due to the COVID-19, I've not been able to sell things. So about a year ago I was doing really well, like better than I ever thought financially when it came to all of this, and this year has obviously slowed down for obvious reasons. So I'm looking for a platform that doesn't cost an arm and a leg and is easy to learn. I'm not too bad at technology. Technology frustrates me easily, and I don't have patience with it, is my problem. I have patience with many things. Children, animals, plants, soap making, learning new things, but technology, I just don't have patience for it. I'm learning to, because I have to. But, so the one web hosting with e-commerce on it that my husband found was 3D Cart. So I'm experimenting right now with it. I'm doing like a 15-day free trial. If you have other suggestions, please leave some ideas in the description box below, because I am looking. I've looked at HostGator, I've looked at Shopify, but again, I don't want to spend, I want to do the lowest amount for right now, and then if the business takes off, I will upgrade to some extent. All right, Miss Alexis Ann, I'm gonna put some sweet almond oil into your bath bombs. Now, alrighty. So that was sweet almond oil that I just put in this mixture. And sweet almond oil, it makes it so it's a little more stable, because you'll notice here in a minute when I start putting the water in, it starts to fizz really fast. See the fizzies? It fizzes. And you don't want it to fizz too much. So what have I been doing recently? I've closed down school. That was very strange. This is my 19th year. I'm finished up with 19 years. I did 15, let's see here. I have done, this is my 15th year in North Carolina. I had 4 years in Indiana, and this is my 15th year in North Carolina. And I have taught first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, with the majority of my teaching in first and second grade. I found with many teachers that personalities go better with different grades. And my personality just goes better with first and second grade. I've taught third, fourth, and fifth grade. And personality-wise, I'm just not a good fit, in my opinion, for fourth and fifth grade. I like the material that they're taught. I like teaching the material. But personality-wise, I just am a better fit for first and second grade. And I like to do cutesy stuff with my kids. And when you're in fourth and fifth grade, it's not too cool to do cutesy stuff. All right, so I'm dividing it into two colors because Alexis Ann's favorite color, ready? Our pink. Boy, I'm all gonna give her some pink. Ooh, Alexis Ann, here it comes. Pink girl. You got some pink coming. Oh, Uncle Andy, you're gonna love me when you get this into your bathtub. I hate my sister. Ooh, look at that. You're gonna love it in your bathtub. All right, and this is, this is purple. Look at this. Ooh. Again, you're gonna love me. All right, Alexis Ann, look at this, girl. I'm gonna mix it all up very purpley just for you. Ooh, should I put some more? Uncle Andy's going, no, don't put any more in. It'll stain my bathtub. Yes, it actually will stain your bathtub. All right, let's look at the pink now. Ready? Oh no, I might have to add some more pink to this. What do you think? Uncle Andy's going, no, it'll stain my bathtub. It might. Oh, it's... All right, no, oh, look, see, no, oh, we got to make the colors vibrant, equally vibrant. Andrew Thompson, I love you. Look at this. You're being like, no, it's too purple. Oh, we're gonna do purple and pink big time. Alexis Ann, you know what else I'm gonna put in? I'm gonna put in some sweet almond orange oil to make them smell all fruity and orangey. I know you like that. And I know you have some. There you go. Ooh, girl. They won't smell so good when they come in there in your mailbox. The way I like to do bath bombs, I use this. This is a bean cake press. Never made bean cakes out of it. I like bean cakes, but I've never made one. So what you do is you put these dust in like so, and you put it in, like so, like that, see? And you gotta turn it over and you gotta lock it in. So you turn it and you lock it. That's like that. Cool, huh?